Hey everyone, today's a big day for Namibia. The country's holding its 7th presidential and parliamentary elections since its independence in 1990. And guess what? We might be witnessing a historic power shift. Now let's talk about the leading contenders. First up, Pandulani Itula, a former dentist and a rebel with a cause. He left SWAPO, the ruling party, and garnered 29% of the vote in 2019 as an independent. He's now leading the Independent Patriots for Change, or IPC. If he wins, it'll be the first time power changes hands in 34 years. On the other side we have Netumbo Nandi-Ndaitwah, the current vice president and SWAPO's first female presidential candidate. If she wins, she'll make history as Namibia's first female president. But she's got a tough job ahead, facing criticisms of high unemployment, inequality and corruption under SWAPO's rule. Speaking of issues, Namibia's got quite a list. Despite being rich in resources like uranium and diamonds, a staggering 64% of its people live below $5.50 a day. Youth unemployment is at a whopping 43%. And then there's the fish rot scandal, a massive corruption case that's tainted SWAPO's image. But there's hope. High voter turnout and long queues suggest people are eager for change. And whether it's Itula promising economic reforms or Nandi-Ndaitwah pledging to create over 500,000 jobs with an $85 billion investment, the future could be brighter. Polls closed at 9 p.m. CAT, and results are expected soon. Stay tuned for updates and keep an eye on the Change Radio WhatsApp channel linked below. Will Namibia see its first power shift in 34 years? Only time will tell. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.